Hey, are you Abby? Margaret Hauser, heard you just moved.
Yeah, my dad got transferred from Chicago.
That's nice. I'm here for one reason, to make sure you don't get mixed up in the wrong crowd.
There's a wrong crowd in the 5th grade?
Yeah, take Tiffany over there. She's the last person on earth you want to hang out with.
She looks nice.
Appearances can be deceiving, young grasshopper.
Tiffany, it's your turn.
Where are we?
Danny said you haven't argued me. Answered me. Just stop. Okay, I'll read.
See, would you want to be in a group with her?
If you could see inside her head.
I'd see emptiness.
That's not true. Maggie, listen.
Whoa! Hey, what are you doing to me?
I wish I could read like everybody else. I try really hard, the words just don't look right. Mom says people with learning disabilities can be smart. But how can you be smart when you read so bad? Why can't kids help instead of being mean?
Whoa, did you just do that?
Tiffany didn't have an empty head. She's trying.
You can see inside? Awesome. We gotta go try this on the playground. See Carol at the top of the slide? That girl's a nut. I've always wanted to know what's inside her head.
You're missing the point.
She's crazy, I swear. Watch.
Caroline, everybody's waiting. Are you a 5th grader or are you a baby?
I'm not going on the slide.
Big baby.
Told you she's crazy. What's inside her head?
She's just scared. Okay, fine. Listen.
My counselor says I have anxiety. That means I'm scared of stuff. Even silly stuff like slides. I wish kids would understand that I hate being afraid all the time. I just can't help it.
Abby, you're fantabulous. Now I know what all the creepy kids are thinking.
I was hoping you'd have a different idea.
Reading minds is crazy cool.
You know, Tiffany and Carolyn aren't creepy.
Have you considered a career in the circus? Stick with me, kid. We'll go places.
Sorry, I have something more important to do.
More important than mind reading? Where are you? No, don't go talk to her. You'll end up in the wrong crowd. Abby! Abby!
In real life, we can't see inside other people's heads, but we can listen to what they have to say and try to understand how they feel. If somebody seems different from you, try talking to them. Think about how they might be feeling inside. You could really help somebody who needs it.